Hi Turan guys, and I have a new video. This is the second part of searching the best signals providers from 2022 in MQL5 website. In the first part I showed you how I was searching those signals, what is my methods of filter them, and how I'm really spending my time to find the best. First of all for myself, because I'm using them for myself, and after that of course I can recommend it to you. So today we're talking exactly about signals. I will show them, I'll explain you the reason why I decided to choose them, but in my list you will not be able to see the martingales. I know that I'm a big hater of those type of searches, and I will explain you why. When we are coming to the market, first thing why we decide to do that, because we want to get a profit, and even in the same time we have the understanding that there are some risk, but potential of our profit should be way higher than the maximum risk. Approximately we are deciding to risk for $1,000 or $2,000, and we will start if we will have understanding that potential of our profit like $2,000-$3,000. If we are trading with the martingale trading strategies, even trading by 1 year in making profit of 5% monthly, in the end in 1 month we can lose everything because it's too risky trading system. So that's why when we're using this martingale, we are using the main concept of the investment in the market and in trading, because our risk is higher than our potential profit that we can make even in 1 year. So that's why, one more time, in my list you will not be able to find this type of the system. And let's go to my laptop, because I will show you a lot of the profitable instruments, a lot of the profitable signal providers that by yourself manually you will never find it there. So let's start. First of all, and first thing that I can recommend is calling Panda Signal. What is the unique point of the signal? That right now he's in MQL5 rating. I was telling you that MQL5 rating is not ideal. This signal on 369 place. But from my opinion, I think this is one of the best signals that you can invest in right now. Balance on his account approximately $9,000, and his profit, you can say, okay, profit only $125, but in the same time maximum drawdown was only 10%. Profit rate 63. He's not using martingales. You can see last year he closed only 1 month in minus. Overall plus was 45%. So if we'll calculate from the balance of $9,000 the net profit of 50%, it's approximately 45. Sorry, it's approximately $4,000. I think it's very nice. In the same time that maximum risk was only 700. He's not using stop loss, but in the same time he's closing position in minus. He's not trying to do that, so that's why he's like equity and is not ideal. But we are not running for the ideal equity. First of all, we want to get a consistent profit. Another signal that I really highly recommend you to check in is calling Trade and News. Here we can also see that is not ideal, but we are not running for that. What's the benefit? That for the last month his profit was 300% in comparison to his initial deposit. By the way, it's also not true. You need to pay attention every time to the balance, but still, if we will talk like about the balance, he's like a balance of $2,800. His profit was very nice. So some months he was closing in a good profit. Also, he's using algo trading. Maximum drawdown only 25%. Profits trades 50%, but everything depends on the ratio between the stop loss and the take profit. So even if from 10 deals 9 will be in plus and 1 will be in minus, accuracy will be 90%. But if this deal will be higher in 10 times, then your profit will cover everything and you will be in minus because of the spread. So what's the point of using that type of the strategy with accuracy of 90%? We need to pay attention. In the end, we need to pay attention on the ratio between the stop loss and the take profit. Like we can see there, of course there are some minuses, so 50% minus $30, minus 69, but sometimes you can get a big profit like here $134, 74, 68. So I like these results, I like it a lot, and even in January he already made 18%. So this is the second signal that I recommend. Of course, I highly recommend you to do subscription through to those signals through us, because I will offer you free subscription if you open account with my partner broker company. The third signal that I highly recommend you to check, this is the nightclub. I think that you know him for the long period of time. What I don't like in this signal, that he's trading with the low trading volume and we need to have a better spread, but still he's consistent. He's trading almost from 2020 and trading in plus. And the fourth signal, this is the Nasakas. By the way, from these two, still I will choose this CNHN. I think he's way better regarding profit. I was using this signal and I enjoy the style of his trading. Only one thing that I don't like in this signal, also in this one and the previous one, is nightclub, that sometimes he is holding position over the weekend, and there is some things like luck, you know, so we don't know exactly how market will open on Monday at night. So that's why what I was doing from my side, I was every time on Friday reduces the trading volume, and it was helping me to trade in more confident way. Because first of all, when we are doing some subscription in investing in SIG, we need to be confident in day trading strategy and not too scared about them and running from side to side and watching every time that accounts. This is, you know, I was telling about, there is explanation about in comparison to the weight in the gym. When you are going to the gym and you are working with something workout, your weight must be comfortable. It must be not too heavy, you know, but it must be not too easy. So it must be proper weight. The same in the risk things. If you are investing your money and you are choosing strategy, it must be comfortable for you. I already show you the 4 signals that I will use for myself next month, but some of the signals I will pay attention on, and I also highly recommend you to check them. So first of all, I want to show you this Money King. This is signal that I didn't see him before. Last year he was trading in the brilliant, nice result. He still don't have a big drawdown, but that month he is trading in minus. I want to see exactly what he will do, what will be results to the end of this month, and then maybe I will make a decision. The second one, this is the Night Scalp. These guys look like really interesting too, but I need to check, because see here I saw some things that he started trading, some instrument he is trading with the stop losses, and some instrument he is trading without stop losses, especially gold. But for right now, result is good, so I can't tell you like subscribe to him right now, but still you need to check how it's working. What about this FSB signal? This signal I want to show you, because this guy, maybe he's not trading in the best way, but from 2018 he's making plus every year. So if you are a conservative investor, you would like to invest bigger amount and hold it for a long period of time, maybe it's also a good option to pay attention on, because there is not so many signals that showing consistent profit in the end of every year from 2018. And I also put like this signal for the people who has the account, bigger accounts with the lower spreads. I want to talk with you about this point, the spreads. No need to expect that you will have account with $100 with ECN spreads, and it will be the same like some brokers providing accounts from $10, $20, $30,000 real ECN, you know, when you have a real good execution. So that's why here even people, when they are trading with the low spreads, they are complaining that execution is bad, because no need to expect that from $100 you will have like a 0-0 spreads and it will be the best broker company in the world. No. Good thing costing a lot of money, and this is the point, and we can't run from it. By the way, don't forget to subscribe also to my Telegram channel, because sometimes I'm posting there a lot of the different information, and what I will do, I will post this list of the best signals in my Telegram channel, so you can find the link to this video in the description. Subscribe and you will enjoy a lot of different information there. So this is it for the video. Don't forget that if you want to have a good portfolio of the signals for free, you can open an account in my broker company and easily use all those signals without any payments, without any expenses. Save it and make a profit as maximum as it possible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that you love my videos about MQL5 signals, so put the comments what kind of signals you are using for yourself. What do you think about my choice, the best signals of 2022 that we can easily use in 2023? So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next videos, because I want to show you a lot of interesting information. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in our next videos.